Alrighty. Good morning, people that are joining. Morning, Kevin. Hope everyone had a good weekend, man. Hope everyone had a good weekend. So SBS update should hopefully come out like tomorrow. That's the goal. We're getting things kind of published, fixed up. Not fixed up. We're getting it done with our licensing guy today. So hopefully we can get it out to you guys tomorrow with an email and, same process as last time, the executable file, things like that. And then Autotrader, we're going to finalize a few things. That'll come out this week as well. Okay. We got 7 minutes or so till the market opens, 8 minutes. Any news? Less days like today good for that. Yeah, I mean, generally, any day can be good for the bot, but generally SBS doesn't do the best on huge trend days just because it's more of a reversal bot or takes trades off pullbacks. So sometimes news days aren't great because it just creates a trend, right? Good morning, Max. How's everything going? Gotcha. Nice. Yeah, hope you guys are all doing well. Again, SBS update should be out tomorrow. That's the goal. Okay. Yeah. Glad you think it's looking amazing, man. I am glad. All right, we got 5 minutes till the market opens. It's a big news week this week, so we have to be a bit careful about that. So ES did just sweep the previous day's high. NQ is about 30 points away from that. Max, I did explain the update in the last YouTube video I watched. I don't know if you watched that or not. I would probably watch that first. If you did watch that and you still have questions, you can let me know. If you didn't watch that, I would watch that first. I will have short live stream, or I won't be live streaming on Thursday and Friday of this week. Just as a heads up, I have to go to my girlfriend's graduation on Thursday and Friday, so that's what I'm doing this week. The following week as well, I'll be live streaming all of next week, and then the week after that, I'll not be live streaming at all. So May 10th to May 19th, I won't be live streaming pretty much at all, but I'll have hopefully daily YouTube videos for everybody. Taking a trip to Hawaii with my girlfriend and finalizing Botfolio during that time, hopefully, for release, and then come back, and that's that. So yeah, should be fun. Yeah, I'm excited. I am excited. I don't sound excited, but I'm tired. So busy next few weeks, but all will be good, so. Later this week, Sean, that's the plan. I keep pushing it back. We're just finalizing a few things. We're going to release SBS first. SBS hopefully tomorrow, and then once that's out, then we will do Autotrader. So yeah, should be fun. Should be fun. Updates should be good. I think you guys will like messing around with the indicators and stuff with SBS. I think you guys will like that. Market is open. A little bit of a dip and rip so far. Wow, big pump on ES there. Big pump on ES. We do have an SMT. Is it possible yearly? Possible yearly in copy on this? I don't understand that question. If you're asking if a copier can be good to minimize risk, I would say yes. If you want to trade really small and just trade really tiny risk across 5 accounts or something, yes, to minimize risk versus all on one account. I don't really understand your question, man. Is that possible yearly using copier on SBS and NQTrader? But they both are on NQ. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't understand that question. Good morning, Mr. German Zonko. I think NQ wants to go towards previous day's high as well, which is at 19,589. ES has already swept it, but
Order submitted.
can SBS NQTrader is one copier yearly growing. Can SBS
Order
use
filled.
other properties for another copier? You can change the SBS settings to trade however you want. Your questions aren't really making much sense to me, man. We are in a 1 minute trade here. 2 different auto trades on one instrument. You can't use 2 auto traders on the same chart. If you open up 2 charts, you run an NQ auto trader on an account. You wouldn't want to run SBS auto trader on the same time on
Order
that
submitted.
account. You would want different accounts. You would want different accounts.
Order canceled.
We're in this 1 minute. This 1 minute has 835 damage. Yeah, I'll check. I think. Hold on.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yes. Let me look. Sorry. I think the entry. Kind of a weird trade, to be honest with you, but entry was. I don't know. It might have been like a few milliseconds before 9:35. Could have been. 42 range lost that trade there. I gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, I can't tell exactly when the trade was, but just chilling. We're 8 minutes into the open. We've had a 1 minute trade, which was, I think, as Adam said, might have been a little bit before 9:35. That one's up 170 bucks, so not too much. It's like 0.5 R, and then 42 range NQ loser. Let me double check
Order
news. I don't
filled.
think we have. We're in a 32 range long here. We have no news today. No news today, but this week we have a lot. Again, it's NFP week, so we have Jolt's job openings tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Order canceled.
Winner there on 32. Then we have some GDP, a whole bunch of stuff on Wednesday. Thursday we have unemployment claims and PMI. Friday we have hourly earnings, NFP, unemployment rate. So very big week. A lot of opportunities for like those Bulenox accounts. They're $15. Just, YOLO pass them.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
We're in short on the 1 minute and the 42.
Order filled.
Still in those short trades, barely.
Order canceled.
Okay, we're out. We're out there.
Order filled.
Okay, so am I taking one of my short? Well, let me see. I had this line right here. I'll reload mine. Let me reload this too. I just restarted NinjaTrader, but VWAP. I haven't tested VWAP much. The EMA, I've done some testing. I do like the EMA, like 200 EMA, you know, above, below, long shorts. I do like that. Yeah, WFS. I reloaded that. I don't know why. I restarted NinjaTrader already this morning. Maybe it's a good idea to reload historical data as well, because mine's also not popping up anymore. I'm not talking, guys, it's because I'm managing some of my own personal trades, okay? It's kind of hard to watch SBS, trade other accounts, read the chat, read the Discord, look at charts all at the same time, so. Right now? Are you saying with the update? No, man. You get to choose, you can use it the same as how it's been. You can add EMAs so it can take longs above or shorts below or however you want. You can fully customize it. It's not like a set in stone deal.
The market is open.
Big drop there. Big drop there, guys.
Order submitted.
We're in a pattern 2 long here on 32 NQ. Looks like MNQ just missed it. You can see that's how you get the slight variations there in the trades. The swing highs are slightly off. Right.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, pattern 2 short trade right now on the 32 NQ. See how this one plays out. Another reason why NQ is just compared to MNQs, again, you just get entered in one contract most of the time, so your risk is going to be a little off, and yeah, your risk is going to be off, and you're not going to, if you have a 0.236 and 2-to-1 take profit, it's not going to put the 0.236 because you're only in one contract, right? So keep that in mind. We're break even, up 20 something points. Would like to see this move down towards 520. I think that's a good spot. That's a good TP area. 520. Good, Mr. Max. I made a YouTube video not that long ago over the 1 minute chart for the year so far. Come on, hit 520. We hit 524. Hit 524. Oh no. It's gonna come right back up on us. Bounced out of a bullish for value gap right here. See if we can hit it. Hit 524 again.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
full TP hit. So we were down 600, and now just from that one trade, we're up 150. So that was a good trade there. Wow, straight up and then straight back down. So 1 minute should have just taken this long. Not that short that it lost, so that's fine. 42 range is down. 32 range here is green. 32 range MNQ is more green. Overall, not too bad of a day. Not too bad of a day. And we are dropping again. We're probably going to go towards London lows now. London low, Asia low, something around there. It's literally a V-shaped reversal here this morning. Straight up.
Order
Oops.
filled.
Oops.
Order filled.
I manually accidentally entered a short there. Hold on. Let me redo this really quick. Did not mean to do that.
Order filled. Waiting, downtrending. I do think we're gonna go towards the London low here is at 417, and the Asia low is at 392. I do think that's probably the target. We're just chilling. 10:01 right now. Again, no news today. So had a nice up move, about 130 points up this morning, and now we're down quite a bit. So again, Asia low here at 417. We're sitting at 453. And Asia low at 392. Did I say Asia twice? I don't know. Let's move lower. Let's move lower, man. Take out the lows. Take out the lows, man. What do you think, guys? Should we call it a day? I think we're gonna call it a day. Don't really have any setups here for a while. We're up decent here on the 32s. 1 minute should pretty much break even. 42's down. But you know, I think we're gonna end it. So we'll be back tomorrow for another live stream, and hopefully the update can get sent out tomorrow as well. Okay. DM me if you have any questions. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. Have a great day, everybody.